today I'm going to make microwave cupcakes, and it's very easy and simple recipe. So let's start. So first of all, here I have 1 tablespoon of melted butter and it's a little bit warm. And now here I have 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. So I'm adding this. And now we just have to mix it together. And now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of sugar. Give it a mix. And here I have 3 tablespoons of warm milk or room temperature. Mix it well. So now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. And here I have 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. So adding that. And just mix it well. Okay, so this batter is done. Okay, so here I have cupcake liners and I'm using 3 of them together. So you don't need any other kind of mold or anything. So you guys can use 2 or 3 together. So now I'm going to fill this with the batter. Okay. Fill this like 1/3. Okay, so these are ready to go to the microwave, and I'm going to put one at a time, and I will put in the microwave for 40 seconds and then we'll check if we need more time. So let's do that. Okay, so now I'm going to put this into the microwave to set up the time. Okay guys, so this is done, and as you can see it's looking so perfect. And now I'm going to decorate this with frosting. Okay guys, so now I'm going to decorate this cupcake with some frosting, and now it's a little bit cooled down, so I'm going to do it now. And I'm going to add some sprinkle. It's looking yummy. And it's ready. Okay guys, so cupcakes are ready. They're looking so yummy. So guys, yeah, this is very easy and simple recipe, ready in 5 minutes, and it took 1 minute into the microwave. So guys, please try this recipe and let me know how this turned out for you guys. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.